Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching this out there on the World Wide Web. This is Jeremy Geelan for SYS-CON TV at 11th Cloud Expo. Cloud Expo, Silicon Valley. I have Dave Elliott with me from Semantic. Delighted to have you on board, David.
Glad to be here, thank you.
Semantic and cloud, you weren't like the first ones to jump in, but now there's a lot of stuff going on with Semantic and cloud, and it always occurred to me, you should have been the very first ones in, because security was everybody's concern in the early days. What happened? It took a little while.
So there is a lot going on. Semantic has, though, been in the cloud for quite a while.
He's going to set me right, and quite right too. Come along.
So we have been delivering, Semantic has been delivering cloud services
for
many years. Semantic has been helping companies build highly resilient clouds for many years, going back to our Veritas legacy. So Semantic has, in fact, been providing services to clouds for quite a while. But what we haven't done is really articulated that externally very well.
Right, well, it's a great opportunity because immediately you said, I realized actually that's true because I've been a user. What am I talking about?
Yes. Yeah, we've got products that range from consumer to SMB to enterprise that help companies build clouds themselves, companies that consume clouds, or companies that can extend their existing IT out into the cloud.
So I'm suddenly thinking Dave Elliott's got a pretty sweet gig here because he's articulating something that's really substantive that perhaps hasn't been articulated before. So you must have quite an interesting job ahead of you. I mean, a nice job.
So this has been a great show for Semantic because we have an opportunity to go out. We have so much fodder, so many things to talk about. We're here talking about three things. The future of the cloud, so we are taking our vision for the future of the cloud. Semantic is articulating that, explaining how future clouds are going to be safe clouds and what the industry needs to do to achieve that. Then we've got a set of products Semantic has been delivering. I mentioned for building, extending, for consuming clouds that we're talking about here. And then we have a new set of programs that are helping our customers and our channel partners actually achieve that vision of safe clouds.
And an event like this can be useful for that.
This is a terrific event. We have something like 8,000 attendees here. We've had, it's big, we've had a bunch of content sessions. We've given a keynote on the future of the cloud. This has been a terrific event for us so far.
Well, and it's only halfway through, not even, it gets better and better. Talk about the vision piece of that. What's the best way of encapsulating that very briefly?
Sure. So when you talk about cloud, right, there's two things that hold people back from really adopting cloud aggressively. What we hear from our customers. First is they're concerned about security. They're concerned about data access control. And the second is availability. So is my cloud going to be available when I need it? And so Semantic's view is in 5 to 7 years, we think that safe clouds will become a reality. There's some safe today. There are many safe clouds today. We think in 5 to 7 years that's going to be the norm. And the way you get there is by creating policies across your multiple clouds, by protecting the information that goes out into the cloud, by having an engine to protect the people who go use that information, who use those cloud services, and then ultimately protecting the infrastructure itself. So you have that protection across all these different components. We think that ultimately that's going to get to the safe cloud. It
does sound like a compelling vision, and the safe cloud is a fantastic destination. So it's a really safe bet as a business. How is it working for Semantic financially? Is the company booming through this? I would think you should be.
So, our cloud products are doing extremely well. So we've got 16 pre-integrated SaaS applications that are delivered from the cloud. That's a growing area for us. We have things like backup and web and email security. We have a product named Semantic 03, which is a public cloud security product that is doing very, very well. This allows you to have a new control point for interacting with third-party clouds. So across our individual cloud products, which is my area of expertise, we're doing very well.
That's all I need to know about, because here we are at Cloud Expo. No, it is. You've got a fantastic gig. So you have all this stuff. We're helping to get the word out. How can we do that quite specifically on this SYS-CON TV? Where should we send people? Semantic/cloud? Where do they go?
That's exactly it. Semantic/cloud. So at this, we're using this event as a launch for our cloud story. We're talking about this vision. We're talking about our cloud products across all those different models. Things like O3, things like file share encryption for Dropbox. And we're talking about these new programs, Cloud Security Essential and Cloud Smart Training, that helps end users become get up and running and really knowledgeable and skilled on cloud security.
Well, we are flattered to be chosen, Dave, as you know, and I'm hoping that we're bringing you the right kinds of people, the right level, the right questions, the right engagement.
It's been great engagement. Yeah, there's not. This is not a shy audience. People are enthusiastic about cloud and certainly happy to engage and talk about this broad portfolio of cloud products that we have.
Yeah, they tell it like it is. They're not shy.
That's right. That's right. And we see that in the keynotes. We see that in the individual breakout sessions. We had a breakout session right before this that was on Semantic 03 that was well attended and had great dialogue.
Fantastic. Well, thanks for taking a little time out from all that marketeering to talk with us, and thank you for sharing. Dave Elliott, Semantic, and viewers out there, we'll talk again, I'm sure. Follow that Semantic Cloud story. I like that.
Cloud.
Sign of a safe cloud.
Thank you.